Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you how plastic chairs are made from recycled polythene bags, step by step.
Bags are heated until they become soft and malleable.
Shaping the molten plastic ensures each chair has the correct basic structure.
Pouring smooth, watch the level.
Got it, it's almost at the line.
Scoop 2 coming in.
Looks perfect. I'll take it over to the feeder.
Go ahead, I'll keep topping up.
The recycled plastic powder is melted again and precisely molded into final chair shapes.
Digital chair inconsistent. Every chair is rigorously checked before leaving the factory.
Looking good. One more after this.
Yep, last pallet. I'll have it in a minute.
Copy that.